Alright, we are going to do a very brief lesson on probability today. Probability is just your number of winners over your number of possibilities. So our answer for probability problems are always going to be a simplified fraction. And our two steps are just to count all the possibilities. That's going to be your denominator. Then determine which number of the possibilities are winners or favorable. And that's going to be your numerator. From there, if you can simplify, you will, but your answer will always be a fraction. So let's jump right into problem 1. If one of the 4 points is picked at random, what is the probability that the line lies on the angle? So let's figure out what all of our possibilities are. So I need to figure out how many points are in this diagram. Well, I've got A, B, C, and D, so that is 4 total. I've got those 4 points. Now, how many of these are winners? I want a point that is on this angle in the diagram. Well, A is on the angle, B is on the angle, C and D are also on the angle, so I have 4 winners. Also A, B, C, and D. So my fraction, my probability is going to be 4 winners over 4 total possibilities. So 4 over 4 does reduce to 1. So that is my final answer for the probability. The probability is 1. Okay. On this next one, we're going to refer to this diagram below. If one of the 5 angles selected at random is selected at random, what is the probability that it is? And then I've got multiple parts. So for all of these A, B, C, and D, my total possibilities is going to be 5 because I've got 5 angles to choose from. Now the number of winners is going to change depending on what I'm asked. So starting on A for acute, I need to figure out how many winners will I have. How many of these angles are acute? Well, acute means it's less than 90. A is 50, so that's acute. B is 60, so that's acute. E is 40, that is also acute. So I have 3 winners, A, B, and E. So my probability for part A is going to be 3 winners out of 5 total, or 3/5. And I cannot reduce that, so that's my final answer for part A. Moving on to B, how many winners do I have? Well, right angle means it's going to be equal to 90, and there is only one. Angle C is 90, so I have 1 winner. So my probability is going to be 1 winner out of 5 angles total, or 1/5, which also does not reduce. So that's my answer for part B. On to obtuse, I need to have an angle bigger than 90, and there is only one, that is angle D. So that probability is 1/5, which does not reduce. Then lastly, straight angle. A straight angle is going to be equal to 180. None of these angles, A, B, C, D, or E, are 180, so that is 0 winners. So the probability for D is 0 out of 5, which is 0. And that is it. Probability is super easy peasy. You just need to count your total possibilities, determine your number of winners, and represent it as a simplified fraction.